today's event, we have a 3-team team deathmatch, red band, blue band, and no bander teams. We have about 35 to 40 people a team, and our objective is to capture as many of the 3 bases as we can by the time the short game clock runs out. Green base, yellow base, and the shed. No banders, us, start out right in the white section, blue starts out in the blue section, while red starts in the red section. Revive rules: 2 players must tag you at the same time, or groups of 5 and no less respawn at your starting point. After getting squared away, we determined we are going to split our forces into 2 platoons. First platoon will head towards yellow base, while the second will head back up the hill and come down on blue's spawn. If we rush through, we can pinch blue between red and us, and capture green base by the time the clock runs out.
That's why I can't wait till the ACR. Yeah. I think we're gonna get rolling here, boys.
They're shooting.
Come on, 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 come on.
Oh. Shooting right there.
Glasses are fogging up. Go!
Oh shit.
Spread out!
Keep up the bottom of the hill. Yep. Got him at the bottom.
Spread out! Spread out along this trail! Where are they? What?
Never mind. I found him.
They're down there. We're 3 downhill. Is there any
Yeah, they're all down there.
Is there any angles we need to focus?
They're concentrated along the trail using barricades.
Okay, 2 of you medic me.
Hey, what are you? Come here. Hey, what are you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Touch him. Touch him. Touch him. Good. Good.
Alright, thanks. Touch me, please.
Yep, right here.
Medic.
Good.
Okay. Hey, there's a guy over here by the picket fence. I hit one of them.
Fuck it. Yeah, there you go. Good. Good.
Alright, Cal, this way. Which way you headed?
I'll go with you.
Let's go this way. I think Luke's over here.
I got one of those fuckers.
I can't shoot that guy, Tommy.
Wyatt,
Keep your heads down, you guys.
is there an opening down there? Hey, you and you. Let's go. Hey, you too. Medic that guy.
We ran into blue's left flank, but Wyatt found a second bridge further downstream unguarded.
Get across that bridge. Go. Get across the bridge. Go. Keep moving. Keep moving. To our front. To our front. To our front. They're gonna respawn, guys. Keep moving, keep moving. Go, 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 go. Go, don't bunch up, don't bunch up. Keep moving.
They're taking this as flowers. How far are we going? This is our spawn.
Yeah,
Where do we capture this? Yeah, wait.
well, the base is down there.
Oh, okay, this is our spawn point? Yeah.
There's like nothing out here.
Spread out, don't bunch up, don't bunch up. Keep moving.
Hey, are you by yourself, by the way?
What?
Not you.
Oh.
I was with the group until I...
You want to fire stone?
Hey, hey. Watch this trail here. Go, 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 go. Guys, it's that first tower. Take that first tower. Hey, we need a rear guard here.
Yeah.
Wyatt. We need one more. Any one of you two. We gotta watch this way because they're gonna come down at us. Alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, Dave.
Alright, White, go. Alright, take positions here. We'll just wait a few minutes. If they come at us, we'll hold them off, right? Yeah, I'll be right back. Don't you guys move. Don't fire till you see the whites of their eyes. Wyatt, is it blue?
Yep, blue.
Got it. Wyatt, sit rep.
Yeah. Hey, Mark, my gun jam.
Got it. No armband coming in. No armband coming in. No armband coming in.
Look at these wonderful horses.
Hey, you blue or clear?
You blue?
Hey, no, clear.
Okay, good.
Hey, we only have 2 guys watching the rear though.
Hey, I got the play.
What?
I got the capture.
All right, we need to hold that position.
I need help.
We don't have anybody down here. We didn't take enough.
Should I get down?
I'd stay up there.
They see me. Hey, back here. Hey, check out. Hey, red van and back base.
What?
Red truck and back power.
Got it. Hey, we're gonna get slammed from behind here, dude.
We go.
I would. Is there anyone else of our guys here?
Hey, man. There's a whole barrier in front of me. Nice try. You mean not nice try? There's a whole barrier in front of me. You can't even go.
Hey, blue shirt. Hey, they blew past our rear guard. We gotta move now.
Alright, you can cover me for a second?
Dude, where are they coming from?
We lost many of those who made the movement, and the last 2 of us were forced to withdraw, even though we held green base. I didn't keep up with my last man, so I decided to stay behind and do as much damage as possible.
Oh shit, my guy left. Come on.
Okay. No, I could have shot him, but...
Banged you.
Huh?
I banged all 4 of you guys.
Got banged.
Hell out of here. Ah, shit.
Okay.
Hey, you got enough. You gave me the wave. I thought you were my teammate. I guess that was your...
I know, I was just kind of messing with you.
Yeah, I was like, okay.
Fortunately, my GoPro battery went as I respawned. With about 3 minutes left on the clock, we lost the game to red team. They overran our yellow base, and by the end of the clock, they had yellow and brown. Anyway, it was a fantastic game. Thank you all very much for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, commenting, or subscribing. Thank you.